So a couple of weeks ago I asked you guys what kind of videos you wanted to see more of in 2020, and your answer was loud and clear: art challenges. That's why I've decided to make this week's video another art challenge. And if you like the video at any point, make sure to hit the like button, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe as well. So yeah, let's get into the art challenge. The rules are simple. Once you've put your pen on the paper, you are not allowed to lift it back up until the drawing is finished. So at this particular point my hand was already cramping up a little, and because of this I rushed the drawing quite a lot, but it left me with this cool looking and rough texture, and it fits the drawing quite well. So yeah, I just kept going.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
I'm pretty much at the final stages of this drawing now. I'm just making some parts a little darker and doing some finishing touches.
So here you go, this was my attempt on the one-line art challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to leave a comment down below what art challenge I should do next, and then we'll see each other in the next video. Alright, take care.